The skies may be gray, with rain seemingly lasting forever, but a Northwest winter comes with some benefits for homeowners' winter tree maintenance. According to those in the tree and plant business, now is a great time to take care of your landscaping. Dave Gordon brings us more.
One of the best times of the year for gardening is actually winter. Trees and shrubs are busy hibernating, and boy, is there a lot of rain to keep those roots moist.
Well, the one nice thing about doing landscaping and planting trees this time of year is a lot of the trees are in their dormancy state.
Garden pros like Gabe say when spring does come, new trees and plants wake up.
They're not going to go through shock of the transplant. So you don't have to worry about them wilting their leaves or keeping them watered. You got Mother Nature on your side.
Winter is also a great time to prune those trees and shrubs.
Winter's a great time to do trimming, especially on fruit trees. You don't want to cut off any blossoms or cut off any harvests you're going to get on the fruit trees. So you want to prune them in this January, February time frame when everything's completely dormant as well.
Bare branches give homeowners a chance to check out their landscape and see just how much damage, if any, winter winds, snow, and ice may have caused.
So whether that's hiring a professional arborist or coming to a local nursery like ours and asking for some advice, definitely good to know what you're doing before you just start hacking at the tree. The last thing you want to do is ruin a tree for the rest of its life.
You know, spring isn't that far away, and if you're looking for some landscaping tips or some money-saving ideas, you might want to check out the EnviroHouse workshops or the Pierce Conservation District. For Tacoma Report, I'm Dave Gordon.
Home and garden professionals say now is the best time to plant, especially with our rainy season in full swing.